Hello everyone, welcome to the video tutorial of PrestaShop DHL shipping. In this tutorial, I will explain you how the store owner can integrate DHL shipping with his PrestaShop store and provide one of the most trusted and reliable shipping services to the customers on his store. So let's see how this particular extension works, and for that I am taking you to the admin's back office. So let's start with the module configuration first. The module configuration is basically divided into three parts: DHL API credentials, shipper information, and packaging information. So let's start with DHL API credentials. From here, admin can enable or disable the sandbox mode. In these fields, admin has to enter DHL site ID, password, and shipper account number. Admin can get these credentials from DHL support through email. After DHL API credentials, admin needs to configure the shipper information. Under shipper information, admin has to specify the company name and address from where his shipments will be picked up through DHL. After entering all the required details, click here to save. After saving the shipment information, admin can set the dimension unit and weight unit for packaging. After selecting the dimension unit and the weight unit, click here to save. After the successful installation of the module, a list of domestic and international DHL shipping methods gets added under carriers. Admin can choose the DHL shipping carriers for his store from here. Now let's have a look at the front end. While placing an order, a customer can view the available DHL shipping carrier with the shipping cost on the checkout page. Suppose a customer has selected DHL shipping method and proceed with checkout. Once the customer has placed the order, then admin can view DHL shipping method selected by the customer on the orders page. Admin can choose to send the order in a single or multiple package. Suppose admin choose to create multiple packages of an order. Now after selecting the multiple package option, admin can select the product and its quantity to be sent in a package. Admin can add more packages by clicking here. After creating the packages, click here to create the shipment label. Once the shipment label gets generated, then admin can track the order package wise by clicking here. Admin can also download the shipment label by clicking here. A customer can also track his order from the order details page. When a customer clicks on the track button, he gets redirected to the DHL website where he can track his order. Admin can also request for a pickup from the orders page. When admin clicks on request DHL pickup, a pickup request form appears on the orders page. A pickup request form is divided into three parts: requested details, place information, and pickup time information. Under requested details, admin needs to fill the details of a person who is requesting for the pickup from DHL. If the requested details are same as the shipper details entered by admin while configuring the module, then click here. On the place information, admin needs to enter the details of a location from where pickup needs to be done. In case the place information is same as the requested details, then click here. Under the pickup time information, admin needs to enter the date and time of pickup. After entering all the required details, click here.